What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at an advantage on the market. Alright, so happy Friday, everybody. Today's ticker symbol that we're breaking down is Sundial, or SNDL. I did this video a couple days ago, so if you haven't checked that one out, go ahead and check it out. It's still kind of referencing the same thing. I'm just going to get into a smaller detail on exactly when to get into this if you are going to try to get into this. So like I said, you guys, if you're going to be holding this long term as a core trade, for a year from now or months from now, you could go ahead and get in right now. I consider this a good buy, but if you're trying to get in for a day trade or a swing trade, I'm going to get into further detail about that. I'm going to start actually with the fundamentals really quick, you guys. So before even New Mexico legalized weed, you guys, I was talking about that. They went ahead and legalized in Mexico, and then now they're legalizing it in New Mexico. They just legalized weed in New York, you guys. Florida's talking about it. So there's going to be a lot of talk about the weed industry here in the coming months, guys. And this is where I see that spike happening with Sundial and these other companies like Aurora, and there was another one I broke down on my channel. But that's really good news, guys. So let's go ahead and dive into the technicals. I'm going to start at a higher time frame so we can get the overall and direction and the picture of our stock. Because if we trade on a smaller time frame, you guys, without starting from a higher time frame, we're not going to be able to get the overall picture of what we're looking at. You're going to be trading in a vacuum, so basically trading blind. So at a higher time frame, we can see exactly what's going on. So where we're at right now, you guys, we are over here. We're at $1.12 on the pre-market. It is 9:13. The market's going to open here in about 20 minutes. So that's why I figured I'd make this video before the market opened. So right here, we're riding against this support line, you guys. We came up, hit major resistance. How do I know that this is major resistance? Well, it's been tested. If we look to our left, we have a candlestick hitting in this area. This is in the same general area. This came up, hit our resistance, and pulled back right here. We have another candlestick here. We keep looking to our left, guys. We have another candlestick here, here, and then so forward. So if I zoomed out, I'm pretty sure we have levels that still hit this same area in the past, like over here. This is all the way back in the beginning of last year. We had levels hitting in this area and then ultimately rejected and failed. So that's why we have these levels, guys. That helps us further predict our analysis. So now that we know where our resistance at, our support's at, obviously right here, we have all these candlesticks riding against this support because this level is strong, guys. Look to our left, we have candlesticks that hit here previously, bounced off this level, and then hit our resistance. We look left, we have a candlestick in the general area. We have this huge candlestick that was up here at the $3, shot all the way down, hit this level. Remember this, these are key levels, guys. These are really strong levels. That's why we look at these for analysis. So this actually tapped right on top of our support, guys, and then pushed up back over here into the dollar, and then ultimately where we're at over here. But we keep looking to our left, we have all these candlesticks hitting in this general area. So ultimately, like I said, if you were doing a swing trade, this would be still a good buy on the daily time frame. But to be on the specifics though, if we go down to the 30-minute and then ultimately the 5-minute, things look a little bit different. So this is why we break down. We start from a higher time frame and we break down to a smaller time frame to get further prediction on where we're headed. So as of right now, where we're at right here, we're hitting minor resistance. Like I said, guys, we can test this. I'm gonna go get my handy dandy tools out. Pull this one, put this right here. You probably can't see that. Let me change the color for you guys. I'm gonna make it let's make it yellow also. So you can see that we came down here, we hit minor resistance, bounced off our support down here, came up, hit this minor resistance, and ultimately consolidated for a little bit, came back up and So we tested this area 3 times, so we know that this level is really strong, guys, for a minor resistance on the smaller time frame. What ultimately I think is going to happen is it's going to, since it's already tested this level 3 times, I think it's going to come back down and test our lower levels of support, and from there, that's when I will keep a close watch on a confirmation of this either bouncing in that area or continuing its downtrend and breaking this level. So what is going to happen if we break through this level? Well, what we do is we go back to a higher time frame, and we can see our next level of major support, which is, you know, if I pull this down, you guys, it's going to end up in the 90-cent area, which is not terrible, guys. It just means that you have more opportunities to buy more shares at a cheaper price. You can think of it as a discount. But yeah, ultimately, before going higher, I really truly believe that we are going to test our lower levels of the 90-cent area, and then from there we can start seeing maybe a reversal and confirmation. So I just wanted to make sure for you guys that are getting in for the day trades or swing trades, that you wait for the best entry, you guys, because it's not always the bottom when you think it's the bottom. You could be going down for, you know, weeks and it still continue that trend. So this is why we use analysis. But you know, obviously you guys can see that we're having trouble breaking past this area. So I truly believe that we're going to come back down and test our new support, or our previous support level, before continuing a higher trend. So and like I said, that's in the 90 cent, 95 cent area. So if it does hit to these levels, guys, I would say that's a good buy for that area. And then obviously your first target, if you're day trading or swing trading, would be back up here at the $1.21 area. So that'd be, I would probably give you a 2 or 3 to 1 to your money. So I would say that's a good trade. And then obviously if you're core trading, your first target would be way up here in the $1.60 area, and then from so forward after that, you just, you know, wait for further confirmation of an uptrend. So I really wanted to just make this a quick video, you guys, before the market opens. If you guys like the videos that I make where I break down your favorite stock that you're looking at, or a hot trending stock, go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button, guys. It means a lot to me. I enjoy making these videos. I do help a lot of people. I get a lot of emails saying, you know, I've saved them a lot of money or prevented them from losing a lot of money. So this is why I do what I do. And you guys have a beautiful day, and stay tuned for more.